During Indiana summer, there are few things quite as important as being able to cool off inside. For most of us, our go-to escape from the heat is our own home, except when the cool sanctuary of your dreams evaporates into a tepid reality that leaves you sweaty and unsatisfied. Your AC is set to the ideal temperature, so why are you so hot? Not to worry. We're here to talk about some common problems that can occur with home HVAC units. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Homeowner's Handbook. I'm Chad Peterman. Today, we are going to look at the 3 most common causes for an AC unit not to keep up that we see out in the field. So without further ado, let's take a look. Sometimes we think a problem is more complicated than it is, and in many cases, the issue comes directly from having the unit that is not clean, inside and out. This brings us to our first cause, a clogged outdoor coil. It's essential to keep your AC unit clean. Otherwise, it's operating with dust, leaves, and other debris clogging its coils, which can cause it to overheat. Not only will this cause it to work improperly, but it will cost you extra money in your energy bill as the unit tries to compensate. It could cost you even more money if it breaks down altogether and causes you to have to call someone to repair it while you wait in the heat. Our second common cause of an AC not working is low refrigerant. Refrigerant is a must to have an AC that is working properly. The fact that your AC is not cooling the house off could be an indicator of low refrigerant or a refrigerant leak. Some indications that this is your problem are a hissing noise coming from the unit itself, increased electric bills, or ice on the outdoor unit. Maybe none of these things make sense to you because you have a brand new HVAC system. If that's the case, it's likely our third common cause, poor installation, may be to blame. Even with the latest models out there, if it is not installed correctly, you will never be able to take full advantage of your modern system. The good news is all of these problems can be uncovered with regular maintenance. An HVAC tune-up will clean your coil, check your refrigerant levels, and inspect your system for signs of improper installation. If you're looking to schedule your seasonal maintenance, give us a call, text, or message, and come back again for more tips, tricks, and product spotlights from the Homeowner's Handbook.